Students of class 9, how can I say that you are welcome in class 9 physics or biology classes? Because now we are going to finish the chapter. It is very close to finish, end. But what will be the matter? We are going to study diploid and haploid number of chromosomes. Diploid, what is diploid number and what is haploid number of chromosomes? As you know, every organism, whether it is unicellular or multicellular, had a fixed number of chromosomes in their body cell, in their cell. This number of chromosomes varies from one organism to another. For example, the smallest number of chromosomes are found in round 1, which is only one pair, that is 2 chromosomes. In some insects have thousands of, nearly 1000 chromosomes in them. We are mainly going to study the number of chromosomes in human cell. The number of chromosomes in human cell is 23 pairs, that is 46. The number of chromosomes in human cell is 46. Among these 46 chromosomes, means 23 pair of chromosomes, 22 pairs of chromosomes are common, that is common in male and female. But the last pair, that is 23rd pair, is different in male and female. This 23rd pair or last pair is known as sex chromosome. The total number of chromosome 23 pair means 46. Autosome 22 pair means 44, and 6 chromosome is one pair, that is 2. 44 plus 2, 46. Now the paired condition of chromosomes, we are going to study diploid and haploid number. Just we have discussed about the number of chromosomes. I have seen that chromosomes always occur in pair. The pair conditions of chromosomes is called diploid cell, diploid number, or the cell containing paired complete paired number of chromosomes is known as diploid cell. Example, body cell in human being are diploid cell. Body cell in human being are diploid cell. The body cell, the cell having half number of chromosome. The cell having half number of chromosome means one of each kind. One of each kind. This may or will take place only in sex chromosome, one male or other female. So half number of the cell having half number of chromosome, that is one of each kind, is known as haploid cell. A haploid number of chromosomes, and the cell having half number of chromosome is called haploid cell. Now we will take example of haploid cell. We have taken the example of diploid cell, that is human body cell is diploid cell. Now we will take the example of haploid cell, but before going to describe it, I am going to erase it in order to provide space for further writing. Male sex cell or sperm has 2 chromosomes X and Y, that makes one pair. But when the formation of gamete takes place, X and Y, 2 gametes are formed. the when the two are together in the sperm cell, it is diploid phase. But when the gametes are formed, X and Y, it is haploid phase of the uh, chromosome. Same thing happen in case of female or X cell, that is XX. The two gametes X and X are formed. When it is together, it is diploid phase, and when the separate gametes are formed, X and X, it is haploid phase of the chromosome. Now these gametes fuse together during fertilization. So if X and X fuse together, the new diploid phase at XX is formed and a female baby is born. But when Y and X, that is X and Y fuse together, it is also diploid phase, but a male baby is born. This is the diploid phase and haploid phase of the chromosome. Next we will study mitochondria, lysosome, etc. in next video. Now we are going to stop here and ask you to subscribe the channel and like the video which you never